Hello and welcome to Short Research Tutorials. I'm Paige and I'm going to help you navigate our library. Today I'll be teaching you why it's important to narrow your topic. When a topic is too broad, it's impossible to cover in a short paper. It's also hard to find sources on your exact question. You can narrow down a topic using who, what, when, where, why, and how. For example, if your topic is social media, you might choose to focus just on kids, specifically preteens. That's the who. Just on TikTok and YouTube, the what, just in the year since COVID, when, America as the where, if this affects them at school, and how it's affected their reading skills or attention span. It's good to do a broad search first, so I'm just going to search TikTok in Primo. And then from there, I can start adding in more terms, and I can do so by going to the advanced search and then entering a new term. I'll add in terms like TikTok or YouTube, and children or preteen, and effect or impact or influence. Now I can hit search and see my results. Then, if that brings up good sources, you can also try adding in and reading or attention or learning or school. It's also important to know about your topic a bit in order to know what you are searching for exactly. So if your professor says write a paper about the Trinity, you have to think about what people might wonder about this topic, such as passages in the Bible that mention it, what was the doctrine of the Trinity decided by the church and how, what was controversial at that time, what religious groups deny the existence of the Trinity and why, who are the main authors and main ideas related to debate over the Trinity. Asking questions, doing background reading on the internet or in books, or talking with others who are interested in the subject are all ways to help you narrow your topic. Even Wikipedia can help you learn about your subject. Try to learn terminology related to your topic so you can search with the right terms. For example, some terms related to the social media topic might be screen time, addiction, compulsive use, and COVID lockdown. If you find your topic was too focused, just broaden it. For example, research teens as well as children. If you can't find sources exactly on your topic, don't worry. If you find sources that address parts of your topic, you can combine them and form your own original discussion of the topic. You can also ask a librarian for help or consider another type of source or another database. If you really can't find anything related, it might be time to change your topic. Being flexible is key to research. Thank you for joining me on this library lesson. If you have any further questions, please reach out to us at librarians@regent.edu or by submitting a research question here on this page. Bye!